Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Ambassador of People's Republic of China to Republic of Fiji, Director of China Cultural Center, the leader of the art performance delegation from China, the newly appointed Permanent Secretary for Education, Ms. Virtual, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Ms. Ambula Vinaka and Ni hao. It's indeed a pleasure, and I'm very much privileged to be with you this morning to celebrate one of the most significant and colorful events in the Chinese calendar, the Chinese New Year. Thank you very much for this scarf and making me part of your celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned, this year we are celebrating the Year of the Dog, ranking as the 11th animal in the Chinese zodiac. Dog is the symbol of loyalty and honesty. I understand people born in the Year of the Dog possess the best traits of human nature. They're honest, friendly, faithful, loyal, smart, straightforward, and have a very strong sense of responsibility. This occasion, ladies and gentlemen, is for family reunions and renewal of friendship. It symbolizes harmony and good wishes. And I bring to our Chinese friends here in Fiji and in China and across the globe the best wishes of the Fijian government. Ladies and gentlemen, in Fiji, celebrations such as this provides an opportunity to demonstrate the richness of the Chinese culture and also promotes multicultural harmony and diversity among all our communities who are known and recognized through a common identity of being called Fijians. It is in this spirit of harmony that the bilateral friendly relationships between Fiji and China has grown even closer than ever. We have witnessed the extension of relations between our two countries in an effort to strengthen understanding, friendship, and bilateral cooperation through people-to-people programs and activities. We have also seen more Chinese companies and businesses thriving in areas of social and economic development in Fiji. Fiji has a unique population composition in the Pacific, and we are indeed truly proud of our diversity and many, many cultures that make up our society. We are the home to many different ethnic groups with different customs and traditions and different religions: Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Sikhism, Hinduism, and many others whose followers live in peaceful coexistence. Ladies and gentlemen, today on this auspicious New Year celebrations, I'd like to encourage each one of us here to continue with the culture of unity and peace and also promote acceptance for each other and in our own religious beliefs. Celebrate your common goals more than your differences. I'd like to say that again. Let us celebrate our common goals more than the differences that we have. Celebrations such as the one we are witnessing today provides an opportunity for us to embrace the uniqueness of each culture and also helps us to nurture everlasting friendship and bondings between those that we live with. I'm personally an old friend of the China Cultural Center as I've witnessed the growth of this center. I attended the opening ceremony on December 15, 2015, and have been with the center several times in the past 2 years to attend cultural events. I've also served as the president of the Fiji-China Friendship Association in my capacity as the Minister for Women and Children some years ago. The China Cultural Center has indeed worked very hard and made great efforts in introducing Chinese culture to Fiji and, of course, promoting the cultural exchanges between Fiji and China. After its establishment, the China Cultural Center has invited and sponsored several Fijian art groups to attend International Art Festival in China, and also invited and sponsored Fijian delegations to visit China and experience the beautiful and the rich Chinese culture. This type of cultural exchange has deepened the understanding and friendship between our two nations. And we are looking forward to having more cultural interactions and exchanges in the near future. At this point, I'm also very, very happy to acknowledge the support rendered by the Chinese government in terms of health assistance. Recently, we received a fleet of vehicles that will not only be given to the health fraternity, but also is of benefit to the education ministry. And the permanent secretary here has asked me to convey her appreciation as well, Ambassador, to you and your government for the vehicles that we have recently received. On behalf of the Minister of Health, I'd also like to officially thank you and your government for the donation of 30 new ambulances for our Fijian people, and I'm sure this is going to greatly boost our efforts in trying to deliver the best medical services to our people. So on behalf of the Fijian government, on behalf of the Minister of Health and the Minister of Education, I would like to thank you very much for that. So ladies and gentlemen, the final significance of us gathering here today, I know it's to celebrate New Year, but it is to tell the world we are one big family. Fiji is a country of multi-cultures. We are united through our compassion and care for each other. We are like one family that works towards sharing our knowledge to make our country more harmonious and prosperous. Ambassador, you shared us the dreams of your country, and I'm sure we are part of the dream as well, like you said. So I'd like to wish you all the best, and I hope and pray that your dream is our dream, and our dreams do become a reality in the near future. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, may today's celebrations ring out loud and true to all so that we can live harmoniously with each other, celebrate each other's uniqueness, and accept the beauty of diversity. I've always said our diverse cultures should unite us and not divide us. And your presence here today and the celebrations to mark the Chinese New Year is indeed symbolic of that. So on that note, on behalf of the Fijian people and the government of Fiji, I'd like to wish all our Chinese friends and families and communities a very, very happy New Year, and I hope that our friendship will continue and will be everlasting. These words, I wish you good health, success, and much joy in the coming New Year. Thank you very much.